Alright, so today we're going to work on our drip irrigation. And here's some of the stuff we're going to need. We got some 3/4 inch supply line. We got our drip tape, which has emitters every 12 inches. We're going to have filters. Put a filter on each system. There's your filter. We got a pressure reducer. It takes us from 50 psi of our supply line down to 15 psi to protect the system. Backflow preventers, T's. We got the end caps for the big stuff. And we got the end caps for the drip tape. And we got stuff like valves. Go on the drip tape so you can close off individual rows if you want to. And you got stuff like these to hold the drip tape in place. So, with all that, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start by putting our main trunk line down one end of the garden. So I've got it running down through here. There we go. Flushing out this end. So here's our end cap. Just put it in the 3/4 inch line. Tighten it down. We got our main supply here. It's 3/4 inch from the well. And this is on a timer, automatic valve. So we're going to come off of here with a filter and a pressure reducer. And then this will get us down to the 3/4 inch line. So let's start with the filter. Just gonna get right on here. We got our pressure reducer. This is 50 psi. This will be 15 psi when it gets to this main trunk line. Okay. This guy will get us to our 3/4 inch trunk line. So we'll go a little short piece here and then tee it out to here. Go the other way with it too. So that should do it. Put it on here. That's a reverse thread. Clamp that down. Same thing over here. Get that all the way on. Clamp it down. Alright, now we got our T. We'll cut this to fit. Clamp it down. There we go. Clamp it down. Alright, let's try it again. There we go. A little better. So now the next step is to run our drip tape out each row that we want to water. So let's get started. So here we go. We're going to start with our potato row. We've got our emitter tape. Emitters are 12 inches apart. Just going to set this on it to hold it down and wind this right down the row. Now we're going to hook up this end with a little valve. And the valve pushed up on there. Just tighten it up. Now we'll pop this in here. Just like that. That's it. That should do it. Let's turn it on, see if it works. That's a potato row. Now we're going to do the rest of them the same way. Okay, this is the drip line for the onion row. I do it the same way. I got a valve, I got an end cap, I gotta pop a hole in here. Start off with. There we go. So by having the rubber band on here, when it gets cold, it'll pull the rubber band just fine, and when it gets hot again, the rubber band will keep it straight, so it won't pop up and get all out of shape.